Hey everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Tower of Aghasba game is crashing or crash on startup on your PC. Guys, first solution is try DirectX 11 or 12 commands only if crash on startup. So first open up the Steam, then just click on the Towers of Aghasba game, then just click on the gear icon and go to your game properties. Now here you will see the launch option, and in the launch option just type -dx11. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Still crashing, then just type here -dx12. Now launch the game, then check still not launching or crash on startup, then just type here -d3d11. Once you try this, now launch the game, then check. Still crash on startup, so just remove this launch option and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game, then launch the game, then check. Now still crashing, then go to the install files. Click on the verify integrate your game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it. Then restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just click on the browse options you are seeing on the top. Guys, locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So just go to the folder where your game launcher and make a right click on your game launcher. Go to its properties, then go to the compatibility. Now here just uncheck this box and also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator, then just click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization. Now click on the apply. Now launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose at the Windows 8. Now click on the apply. Now launch the game, then check. Now if your game is still crashing, so the next solution that you had to try is just make a right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager. Guys, once it was open, just go to the startup application you are seeing on the top and just disable all the application you are seeing, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically and interfere with your game and causing the crashing or the freezing issues. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and just disable these, then restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just go to your Windows search and type here the updates and open it. Guys, simply update your Windows and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. So once you update your Windows or graphic card drivers, simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now try all of the solution, and I hope one of these fix your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye.